Okay, so the next thing I want to do is at this time I'm gonna just take this opportunity to do a little bit of cleanup here. So you notice here I have a link to a CSS sheet, but you might want to notice here that I also have some CSS kind of stuck in the template document itself. So what I want to do is I'm gonna basically cut this and I'm gonna paste it in here. And the only reason I'm doing it is just to keep it neat and tidy. That way I don't have an external CSS sheet and CSS located in the same document. Right? So here's how you do it. Very, very simple. Now, first of all, let me explain to you that this is HTML. Everything that I just highlighted is This is HTML. Everything highlighted is HTML. This is HTML. So this style tags are HTML tags. Everything I highlighted here is CSS, is not HTML. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight only the CSS stuff, okay, from the number sign to the last bracket. I'm going to go Control X to cut it out, okay. And if I were to save it like this, by the way, okay, and update it, now watch what happens to the pages. So if I go like this, it totally screws up the pages. So all my pages now are basically screwed, and the reason for that is because I've took the CSS out of here. Now when the HTML document is looking for a definition of, well, what is AP div and what is AP div 2, it looks in this document and it's not here, and it's also going to look into this style sheet document and it's not there as well. So the HTML document doesn't know where to put the text, so it just sticks it at the very bottom. So what I'm going to do here is, because the main template page is linked in this line here, line 13, to stylesheet.css, I'm going to place that formatting, apdiv1, apdiv2, right inside of here. Doesn't matter where I put it. I'm just going to put it right in here. Save it. Alright. And go back to my template. I don't have to save my template because I didn't really change anything. And now if I go back to my web page and I hit F5, okay, now it knows, now all the pages knows where to find it again. So in a sense, this is in summary what I did. I cut the CSS stuff out, okay, and I pasted it in my stylesheet.css document. My template is linked to the stylesheet.css document, and because the template is linked and I saved it, that means all the rest of my web pages are also linked to the stylesheet.css. So when the browser is looking for the CSS definition for apdiv1, it first looks in the document, in this document itself. It can't find it, and then it's going to open this file here, style.css, and here are the definitions. Here are the CSS definitions to the divs here, and those CSS definitions are going to tell the browser exactly where to locate this div, what sizes it should be. Okay. Now, one last little detail in the template file. Again, only reason for this is just to keep things nice and clean and tidy. I don't need these style tags anymore. Okay, so I can just simply delete them. And again, you know what? Just to keep things a little bit tidy again, I'm just going to skip a line between the head and the body. And you know what? Let's just keep it simple and leave it at that for now. So save my template. Okay, update it all, and maybe when you've done that, go through your pages and just to make sure that everything is expected as it should be. Okay.